Hey everybody, it is that time again for Grow Better Weekly, and today we're going to talk about a couple of easy solutions for your gardening adventures. We're going to talk a little about feeding plants and also talk about weeds and what can we do to kill weeds without using a lot of chemicals. I know a lot of us use chemicals, but we also like to try to minimize our use of chemicals in the yard and in the garden. So I'm going to start by weed killer. I use a fantastic recipe that kills 99% or thereabouts of the weeds here at the garden center. And it starts with vinegar, 30% vinegar. And you can find that at the box stores, Home Depot, Lowe's, wherever they carry a gallon of 30% vinegar. So you need that concentration. So 1 gallon to 1 cup of table salt to 2 tablespoons of the Dawn liquid dish detergent. Okay, so you get a pump sprayer or a squirt bottle, but a container that can mix a gallon. So what you want to do is get probably a bucket or put it into like a backpack sprayer or a pump sprayer. Then you pour in the salt, mix it up, let it dissolve a little bit. Then I add in 2 tablespoons of the liquid Dawn, mix that up, and just spray the weeds. This is not a selective herbicide. It will damage any plant that you sprayed on. So it is perfect for like driveways, for sidewalks, for cracks, in between the plants and the mulch. And on a sunny day, it is the most effective. So try that at home. It is an easy way to kill weeds without using chemicals. And the best thing about it is that it is very fast acting. If it is a sunny spot, within hours you're gonna see the plants die, as opposed to some of the alternatives like Roundup, which can take a week or more before they die. And the reason why this is important is because in that week or so before they die, they're gonna flower and make seeds and start the whole cycle all over again. But this will close the gap on that. Okay, now let's talk about feeding your plants. Something that most of us have around the house is coffee and coffee grounds. So if we're making coffee on a regular basis, then we're gonna have coffee grounds on a regular basis. And coffee grounds, a tablespoon or 2 over the tops of potted plants, is a fantastic way to get slow release nitrogen to your plants. Now keep in mind, it is not a complete feed. So it's not nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, which are the 3 major nutrients they need, nor is it a lot of the minor elements that plants need. But it is an easy way to get a little bit of nitrogen into your garden, for your houseplants, and so on. Now, some other natural ways of feeding your plants are things like compost tea. This is called Full Circle. It's a plant tonic. It's basically compost tea. And if you don't know about compost tea, feel free to look it up online, but it is a great way to feed your plants naturally. And the other natural way of feeding your plants is with fish emulsion. And this is Neptune's Harvest. It is a very mild but effective fertilizer for your plants. You guys, if you have any questions about these, please comment below or come on in and pick my brain. I'd love to talk about this with you. And don't forget, check us out on all of our other social media platforms for more gardening tricks and tips to keep you guys growing while you're out. See you next week.